Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Peel and cube sweet potatoes. Boil until very tender. Remove from heat and drain. Pour milk into a measuring cup, add in eggs and mix well with a fork. Pour milk and egg mixture into sweet potatoes. Pour into unbaked pie crusts. Bake each pie at 350 degrees for about 1 hour or until set in the center.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Peel, then chop the yams, make sure that they are about 1/2 inch thick. Place the yams into a 9 by 13 bake dish. Place the butter into a medium-sized pot, then melt it over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, sprinkle in the white and brown sugar, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, and ground clove.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.